everybody, it's Connie Stewart with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Thank you guys so much for joining me for a new Tuesday tip. Today I have got a dozen or more tips and ideas on things that you can do while you are stuck inside your house. Yep, many of us are quarantined right now, and this is a great time for crafters, a great time for us to get some things done. I've got some tips that just might help you kind of pass the time for those 15 days that we all stay indoors. Are you ready to learn a few? Let's get started. Time to clean up your stamping mess. Ta-da! So proud. Can't get to your hair salon to have your roots touched up? Soft suede ink pad and a sponge dauber. Done. And hey, if your hair salon is closed and those bangs need to be trimmed, that's what paper snips are for.
Hey, wait, no, Connie, no.
Too much?
Yeah, too much.
Okay. Hey, maybe it's the perfect time to switch to decaf. Oh, don't do that. Oh, that's nasty. If you're working on those fun little Easter candy projects, guys, we've got to check it for freshness. Be sure to check more than one piece. I mean, one is never enough. You don't want to be handing out bad Easter candy. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Time to get organized. Let's organize those ink refills. I have a link for how to create these little simple cases. But hey, you know what? I've got my ink refills out. This is a perfect time to just go through and re-ink every ink pad. Add your ink one direction. Add your ink the other direction. I like to take a plastic spoon and just like you're frosting a cake, let's move all that ink around. Guys, a juicy ink pad is a happy ink pad. I stuck my finger in it. How about reorganizing your stamp storage? Yeah, that's better. This is a great time to prep some card pieces for the insides of your cards. So let's say you have a darker piece of cardstock. You need a white or a vanilla to go inside your cards for writing your message. I love to have these prepped, and I've got a video right up there in the corner if you want to learn more. Take the time during your quarantine to prep cardstock. We'll cut it 4 inches and then 5 1/4 inch. Keep those in a handy dandy box and you are always ready with the inside of your cards. How about reorganizing your stamp sets? I get a lot of people who ask me, Connie, how do you organize yours? You know what? I actually organize by style. Sentiments, flowers, animals, masculine, holidays. Maybe it's time to try something new with how you organize your stamp sets. Practice tying your bows. Okay, wait. No, just don't. Well, we can't lick envelopes anymore, so how about your aqua painter filled with water? Voila! Why not make stamping a family affair? Hey, Jenny, you want to stamp with me? Jenny, baby, I'll pay you $20. Play Jingo with your ink pads. Okay, you start.
I guess you win.
Thanks for letting me just have a little fun today. I think we all needed a few giggles. I don't know about you. I sure do in this house. Guys, thank you for being here. Do me a favor. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Wash your hands. Stay indoors. We are going to get through this. I just want you guys to know I love you. Thank you for joining me on today's video. I look forward to stamping with you again soon, my friends. Bye-bye.